Good morning everyone. So today as we are continuing with the animal kingdom. So last we were talking about the different criteria which were collectively deciding कि कैसे animal kingdom को divide करना. On different phylums we are dividing the animal kingdom. Like from the previous chapter we remember this thing put cake on fire gas stove. Kingdom phylum. From the last chapters. So we are talking about the animal kingdom. Animalia. So Animalia kingdom we are dividing into various phylums. Divide karna. So what are the criteria? That was the last topic we were continuing. Those criteria we have covered. Our first one was the body organization or cell organization. How does the organism form their body? Are their body made up of cells or tissue? Or organs or organ system. Okay? So this was the first basis of classification. कि हमारी body किस तरीके से बनी है. So cell obviously starting from the first phylum. In order to remember that, first phylum is Polyphera. Polyphera phylum, being the first one, will be the most primitive phylum. यानी कि इसके अंदर जो organism belong करते हैं सब तो simple, सब तो like simplest जिसके अंदर कोई complexity नहीं, कोई tissue नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, वो organism belong करते हैं. ठीक है? So the Polyphera phylum, Polyphera first phylum, it will have the cell-type body. So the body is made up of only cellular, not even tissues are formed. So there is no organ system, so on so on. So organ systems start from the skeletal piece to the skeletal piece. It decides the organ system. Okay. Similarly, goes on to the other phylums like skeletal piece, annelida, mollusca, so on. So next phylum, they will all have the organ system. Okay. So going on, the second type we had was the second criteria which we had was the symmetry. Symmetry, like it is the capacity of the body to be divided into two equal halves. Two equal halves of a किसी को divide करना. So how can, like this is a lesson. If I want to give it two equal halves, so it can be divided here. A split करना, two equal halves बन जाएंगे. अद्धा हिस्सा चक के, if I keep it over the first half, superimpose कर दूँगा, so equally से बन गए. So if I do it like this, अगर मैं इतना इधर दो हिस्से करता, then are these two equal halves? No. इधर दराज चीज़ की दूसरे से है नहीं. So it can be divided here only. या इस तरीके ना. तो इससे हो सकते हैं. So similarly, symmetry it decides in which plane the organism can be divided into two equal halves. That is symmetry. Okay? If the organism cannot be divided into two equal halves, that organism is known as asymmetrical. अच्छा, किसी भी plane दे दो, no plane is able to divide that organism into two equal halves. दोनों को बोलते हैं asymmetrical animals. Like for example, Polyphera phylum, Polyphera sponges belong करते हैं. Sponges की body randomly moving. They have a random body. ठीक है? So that sponge's body cannot be divided into two equal halves. जितना मर्जी कर दो, इस तरीके ना, whichever plane you take, it is not able to divide the organism into any equal halves. So asymmetrical होते हैं. ठीक है? So second one we have radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means we are dividing the animals into two equal halves, but in order to divide it, we can like this is circle. Circle में हम दो हिस्से करते हैं. So it can be divided from here also. दो equal हिस्से होंगे. एक plane. Then if I take another plane, this is also divided into two equal halves. If I take this plane, it is also divided into equal halves. And number of planes. Take it, many number of planes are able to divide into two equal halves. So this is known as radial symmetry. And again, from any plane, we can divide the organism into equal halves. किसी भी plane के through. That is radial symmetry. So for example, last one. We have is bilateral. Bilateral symmetry ही है. दो equal हिस्से हो सकते हैं, but only from a single plane. ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਪਲੇਨ ਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਹਿੱਸਿਆਂ 'ਚ ਵੰਡ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸਿੰਗਲ ਪਲੇਨ, for example humans the symmetry, if we want to give the two equal halves of the human body, solve ਕੱਟੋ, that will give you two equal halves। ਇੱਧਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਮ, ਇੱਧਰਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਆਮ, ਇੱਕ ਅੱਖ ਇੱਧਰ, ਇੱਕ ਅੱਖ ਇੱਧਰ, ਇੱਕ nostril ਇੱਧਰ, ਇੱਕ nostril ਇੱਧਰ, ਸੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਦੋ ਹਿੱਸੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਬਟ ਅਗਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਕਹਾਂ, ਇਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੱਟਣਾ, can it generate two equal halves? No। so humans ਦੀ symmetry ਕੀ ਹੈ? bilateral। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, so this is the second criteria ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਲਾਸੀਫਾਈ ਕੀਤਾ। Third one was coelom। Now coelom word, it is new to everyone। coelom बहुत का कहने में सुना होगा। coelom is the body cavity, खाली जगह। which body cavity, which खाली जगह? खाली जगह का मतलब है it is a cavity present between the body wall and gut wall। body wall the gut wall का मतलब क्या है? Let's say this is the body, human body। बाहरली wall ਜਿਹੜੀ stomach ਦੀ wall होगी, ठीक है, ਇਹਨੂੰ बोलते हैं body wall। this is external body, ठीक है। अंदर we have organs inside, अपने intestine है, stomach का, they all are lying in a pouch। this is the stomach, ठीक है। stomach के बाद intestine आ गई, सारा कुछ, so they are present in a pouch। इनके अंदर के अंदर पे एक pouch बड़ा कितने होगा, इनको कवर करके रखते हैं। so this is body wall। other one, this one is the gut wall। इनमें जड़ी है खाली empty space है, this is known as body cavity। इनको body cavity बोलते हैं। coelom कब बोलते हैं? when it is known as coelom, whenever this body cavity is lined by the cells of mesoderm। यानी कि ये जो cells इनको line कर रहे हैं, these cells which are lining the body cavity, अगर mesoderm को आए, ठीक है, so this is known as coelom। whenever the body cavity is covered by mesoderm, either side or a side, both sides, on the gut wall side also, on the body wall side also, अगर body cavity को cover करने वाले cells mesoderm के बने होएगा, it is known as coelom। ठीक है, ये हो गया true coelom, or it is known as true coelom or eucoelom। ठीक है, दोनों नाम, you का मतलब true होता है, it means true coelom, proper coelom। but some of the organisms they have the body cavity but it is not lined by mesoderm completely। for example, same body cavity, body wall, gut wall, but cavity present है, cavity is present but that cavity is not lined by mesoderm, कुछ mesoderm में नहीं होती, so that is randomly, mesoderm is lying randomly, ठीक है, not completely, proteins in a pouches, patches mesoderm कही है। this type of mesoderm, this type of body cavity is known as coelom। coelom present है, but coelom मतलब होगा, coelom means false। coelom is present but that type of coelom is false coelom। ठीक है, ये हो गया अपने को second type of coelom। but the third one is, third की हो सकता है, cavity हो गई ना, body cavity is altogether absent, there is no space between the body wall and the gut wall, directly सारे organ पे है, that is known as acoelom। coelom is absent। so on the basis of body cavity we have three types of classification whether the organisms are true coelomates, coelomates, pseudocoelomates or acoelomates। ठीक है, now we have a clear distinction। acoelomates, body cavity is absent, pseudocoelom it is present but not lined by the mesoderm completely, mesoderm थोड़ी थोड़ी patches से present है। coelomates mesoderm completely present है, body cavity है that becomes a coelomate। so obviously these are the most primitive one little bit advanced, most advanced. सब तो advanced organism होंगे. So for example, humans are coelomates. With coelom present, sponges को वैसे we cannot say that they are acoelom or coelomates. क्योंकि उन्हें coelom बनाना से, I will come to the next part. coelom कैसे बनती है? Now get clear. So the third criteria to classify the animals. Last one of today's topic is, fourth one is germ layers. Now, in order to understand the germ layer, so those zygote banda, gametes, male gamete, female gamete, they fertilize and form a zygote. Zygote is a single cell, nucleus, cytoplasm. This zygote divide करना शुरू करता है. It forms a structure which has the layers of cells. Structure मानते हैं layers होती है cells के. If there are 3 layers of cells which will give rise to different parts of the body, like skin बनानी है, heart बनाना, different parts बन के body. If there are 3 layers of the body, cells में little layer. First one is the outermost layer. The outermost layer of cell is known as ectoderm. Okay? And the innermost layer, second one, the second layer is known as this one, the second layer, inside cells. All these cells are known as second layer, middle layer is known as mesoderm. Okay? And the innermost layer, subterminal layer. That innermost layer of cell is known as endoderm. Alright? So we have 3 layers of cell. In तीनों layers they will form the different parts of the body, like skin, heart, liver, intestine, everything will be formed by 3 layers. Okay? If the organism is arising from, अगर हम तीनों layers को बन रहे हैं, if the organism is arising from 3 layers, that organism is known as triploblastic. Triploblastic, triple. Okay? If the organism is arising from 2 layers, that means it is a diploblastic organism. 2 layers, diploblastic. Right. So, which layer of these 3 will be absent? It is mesoderm. Mesoderm, the middle layer, will be absent in the 2 layer, and the diploblastic animal there. Mesoderm is absent. Alright. So simple kede होंगे diploblastic or triploblastic? The answer is diploblastic. A simple होंगे, these will be the complex animals like humans. Chordates होंगे बेटे, they are triploblastic. यानी कि they are forming the 3 layers of the body. And simple the way polyphyletum we conclude करते, we are including the Ctenophora, these are all belonging to the diploblastic. Alright. So hope this is all clear from the today's topic. Thank you.